Hey everyone, if you want to master remove.bg in 2026, you're in the right place. In this full guide, I'll show you everything from basic background removal to advanced editing techniques. You'll learn how to remove backgrounds, replace them, improve image quality, and create professional visuals. Always use high-resolution, well-lit images with a clear subject. Upload your image to remove.bg, and it will automatically remove the background in seconds. Use edge refinement to clean details like hair and shadows. Replace backgrounds with white for e-commerce, gradients for design, or custom images for branding. Adjust your image based on where you'll use it, like thumbnails or online stores. Always download in PNG for transparency and high quality. For advanced results, use Canva or Photoshop after remove.bg. Professionals use remove.bg as part of a workflow. Capture, remove background, edit, optimize, and publish. For mastery, focus on lighting, simplicity, and consistent style. A common mistake is relying only on AI without improving the original image. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to master remove.bg in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.